How to remove all poke in Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is simply launch and get on the home screen over here. So then simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on the settings or the gear icon that will lead you to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on the option of activity log over here under your activity. Now as you tap on activity log, what you can see is the list of things over here. So all you need to do is tap on the option of you can see the different options over here. So let us just first of all tap on the option of connections, and then simply tap on your Facebook activity rather, and you can simply scroll down and tap on different options. So here let us just first tap on the option of manage other activity. Now tap on filters at the top left corner of the screen. Select on categories and then tap on pokes over here at the bottom. And as you do that, you'll be able to see all the pokes. Now if you want to delete it, simply tap on the three dotted lines beside the poked notification and then tap on delete and tap on delete again. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.